Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This video is part of the series of videos I'm posting to try to help people out with things aptitude exams like the civil service exam. And this video in particular is part of the Logic Magic series in which I try to explain the techniques and concepts ng logic questions. So this is not just for the civil service exam, but also I heard sa mga exams for other branches of the government, especially for NAPLCOM exam and yung mga admissions tests for people who want to get into the PNP, Philippine National Police, and other branches of the government. So I would love it if you could watch these videos and learn something from it. So if you find all the videos helpful, I'd love it for you to hit thumbs up then, just to let me know that they are working. Also, you can click right here to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to post more videos on this. There are 3 more coming up. At least for this topic right now, I'm making them all ng sunod-sunod, and also I'm going to post a series on assumptions naman kasi these are the topics na sabi nila sa akin marami daw nung April exam. So I'm focusing on these to make sure that you know all about them before the actual exam. You can also click right here on the left side so you can see the playlist of all the videos already posted, and here on the right for all the logic magic questions na nagagawa ko since April. Okay? So let's start. Let's read this question first. Sabi dito sa question, one likes most action stars. One likes movies starring action stars. Robert is an action star. One does not like Robert. And then the question is, which of these statements is false? Yung mga nasa sunod. So if all of those statements sa taas are true, alin ang false? Okay, let's read the options first. Sabi A, Robert likes one. B, one likes movies starring Robert. C, one doesn't like any of Robert's movies, and D, Robert is not an action star. Okay, so this question is actually one of the more controversial ones that I posted. A lot of people disagreed on this. A lot of people saw the trick to it, pero iba-iba pa rin yung sagot. And actually, my plan is to keep making these ipopost ko siya before sana sa October, makarami rin ako. The reason for that is as long as I keep seeing na marami pa rin ang nagkakamali at marami pa rin ang iba-iba ang sagot sa mga tanong na to, I'll keep making more in the hopes na sa susunod mas madagdagan naman yung tumatama. Okay? So, i-explain ko to really quickly. The first thing I want you to take note of is I want you to take note of the word false. Okay? So, a lot of the people jumped right into answering kung ano yung pagpipilian dito. I knew that would happen kasi the first 2 questions that I posted were asking for kung alin yung dun sa mga statements na binigay ang true. And dahil ang nangyari is, if you did not notice the word false here, ang nangyari sa iyo was you were so excited to answer this question na hindi mo na siya binasa ng buo. Inassume mo na lang, inisip mo na lang na, okay, so since true ang laging hinahanap ni Ate Lyqa, ang hinahanap siguro probably ito is also true, so hinanap niya na lang, you went straight to the options instead. Okay? And a lot of you actually did that. And may tama yung sagot ninyo kung true ang hinahanap. Some of you would have been right kung true ang hinahanap na statement, pero ang hinahanap kasi is false. Okay? So again, if you are one of those people who has to be more careful about this thing, mark that box pagdating sa exam. Okay? I-underline niyo yung false or true. Sorry. So, yung false or true just to make sure na hindi kayo magkakamali. Okay? So, isa-isayin natin. Sabi sa letter A, Robert likes one. Okay? Again, like yung ginagawa natin kanina, I want you to mark din yung parts kung nasa na-mention si Robert. So, sabi, Robert is an action star. Okay? Yun ang relationship nun. Tapos si Robert, na-mention siya second time here. One does not like Robert. So, kumbaga passive na siya dito. Ngayon, ano lang ang alam natin tungkol kay Robert? Siya ay isang action star. And by reference, by connection, masasabi mo na rin na, well, action star is something that one likes. Okay? One likes most action stars. But here's the thing. Okay? Does it say anything about what Robert likes? Meron ba sinabi na Robert likes anything? Wala. So this statement is not true. Or at least we can't know for sure. Okay? So, is this false? Siguro, well, pwede, pero hindi natin sure. Kasi it may be na totoo to, na false to, pero hindi lang na-mention. So, hindi tayo sure na hindi siya totoo. Okay? So, ang answer niyo is A. Pwede, pero hanap tayo ng better answer. Kasi again, when it comes to logic questions, you have to read all of the options. Okay? Letter B, one likes movie starring Robert. Again, is this statement false? Now, if you look at this, sabi dito, Robert is an action star. Right? And one does not like Robert. Okay? Ngayon sabi, one likes most action stars and one likes movies starring action stars. Pero tanong, nung sinabi ba na one likes movies starring action stars, does it mean all movies? Okay? Now, the reason why this is a little more difficult than the first ones I posted is because I added a few more components, okay? Including this part. Sabi dito, one likes movies starring action stars. Pero hindi sinabi na all movies starring action stars. So, is it possible na meron siyang movies na hindi gusto starring action stars? Then the answer would be yes, right? Ngayon, kung posible na meron siyang movies na hindi gusto starring action stars, pwede ba na yung movie na yun ay yung movie kung nasaan nandun si Robert? So, pwede. So, again, you cannot be sure kung totoo yung o hindi yung statement B. So, kung hindi kayo sure, i-back pocket nyo muna. Let's look at the next option. Sabi sa letter C, one does not like any of Robert's movies. Okay. Ngayon, anong sabi dito? Robert is an action star. And gusto ni Juan ng movie starring action star. So, may possibility ba na si Robert ay nag-star sa isang movie, okay, na nagustuhan ni Juan? Okay? Is it possible? Ngayon, if you answered C here, I know where you made a mistake. The reason why you answered C is this. Inassume ninyo, okay, na dahil ayaw ni Juan si Robert, ayaw niya na rin ng pelikula starring Robert. Tama ba ako? But, if you think about it, may possibility naman na kahit nandun si Robert sa pelikula, nagustuhan pa rin ni Juan yung movie. Okay. In your life ba, let's switch over to the practical setting. If in your life, have you ever watched a movie na maganda yung pelikula pero hindi niyo gusto yung bida, pero sige na nga, dahil maganda yung pelikula, okay na rin siya? Okay? So, if that happens to you, and then possible din siya mangyari kay Juan. Okay? Kasi we're going to broaden the perspective. Hindi lang siya pwede na kung inassume nyo na agad na dahil ayaw niya kay Robert, ayaw niya ng movies ng Robert, unless sinabi talaga ni Juan na ayaw niya ng movies ni Robert. Okay? And ang sabi kasi, likes movie starring action stars and he likes most action stars except Robert. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na may mga movies na starring Robert na hindi niya nagustuhan. Paano kung kunyari, dalawa ang action stars? Kaya sa action star sa pelikula na to, kasali si Robert and kasama din sabihin natin si Peter. Ngayon si Peter naman, gusto to ni Juan. Si Robert ayaw niya. Pero nasa isang pelikula sila. Okay? Ibig sabihin ba nun, okay, na, kasi nakalagay dito, on likes movie starring action stars, at gusto niya, gusto niya si Peter, gusto niya tong movie na to, okay? At dahil lang nandun si Robert, ayaw niya na, okay? So, hindi yun totoo. So, may possibility na gusto ni Juan yung isang pelikula nandun si Robert, kahit hindi niya gusto si Robert. So, again, this is something we cannot be sure of. But yung last statement, which is Robert is not an action star, if you look at it here, dito sa statements natin na given, meron tayong statement here, the third one that says, Robert is an action star. So, definitely, action star si Robert. Okay? At nakalagay dito, Robert is not an action star. At dahil lang hinahanap natin is something that is false. If you read it carefully and na-spot niyo yung false, nakita niyo na this is actually the direct inverse of this statement, then the correct answer would be D, and it will be easier for you. Ngayon, some of you actually noted na, wow, parang madali lang pala to eh. It's not actually always like this. The reason why I added this question is I want you to understand the fourth thing that I want you to remember when you take the logic questions, okay? Which is this, okay? The fourth thing that you need to remember is you have to read everything carefully. Okay? Number one natin is read everything This is number 4. Read everything carefully. You have to fully understand all of the components ng tinatanong. Kasi if you don't do that and you skip the word false, you'd automatically be wrong. I don't want you to make that same mistake when you actually take the exam. Okay? So I hope you learned something new today. Again, click thumbs up if you like this video so I can keep making more. It's actually very encouraging to me when you click thumbs up kasi I get informed na helpful naman pala yung ginagawa ko. It's worth na pagpuyatan and pagpaguran. So, see you in my next video. Again, click here to subscribe para makita ninyo yung susunod na video as soon as it posts. If you're not yet part of Team Lyqa, go to www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa. Just like that page so you can send in your own requests ng videos and questions. Click here on the left side so you can see the entire playlist of all the videos already posted. Click right here dito sa right just so you can see the logic magic questions that videos that I already posted. There are actually 8 na natapos ko na nauna dito sa video na to. So you can click here to see that as well as the other videos that I will post in the future. Okay? So thanks and have a great day. Happy learning, guys. And keep believing, keep praying. Kaya niya, Nanja Aja. God bless.